I just want to go over my old computer before I move it over into the new half 912 case. I have three 750 gig enterprise tested, and you know, they're more built for the enterprise. But anyways, they are 750 gig hard drives. We have three of them there. They're all SATA 3. I don't think, you know, when I got this, it was probably, you know, about 3 years ago. SATA 6, I don't think was even out, or it wasn't, you know, widely used. So I have a GTX 260. It's the 216 core. It's kind of a really long name. I think it's 896 megabytes of RAM, which is a very odd number. I'm using the Q6600 quad-core CPU, which is made by Intel. I can't remember the name of this heatsink. I'm sure you guys know. I just can't remember off the top of my head. It has been very well. It works very well, keeps it cool, and I haven't had any problems with it at all. I've got I think it's a Thermaltake? No, Ultra X3 1000-watt module power supply, which is very nice because I have, as you can see, a mess of cables here, and I have zero cable management. So there's that. I have 8 gigs of memory there. They're all OCZ SLI kits, 2 SLI 4 gigabyte kits, so you know it adds up to 8. I've got a Blu-ray player and a DVD LightScribe DVD burner. So there's that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 case fans, which makes this thing really loud, which is the main reason I'm getting rid of this case. And it's just outrageously heavy. This thing, everything, all the parts in here and whatnot, are about, I would say, a good 60 pounds. And that's not jokey. It's extremely heavy. The case is a Transformer Sunbeam. It's black, and all the case fans are red. So there's that, and stay tuned for, you know, after I move all this into my new case. So stay tuned.